now and then, a brand new photographer asks me to teach them photography, and I always say no. Why? Because teaching manual mode to newer photographers just doesn't work. I can understand why you'd be excited to learn how to use your expensive new purchase. But the auto feature on cameras has been cleverly designed to make photography as easy as possible, so that anyone can pick up a camera and start taking photos right away. That's how camera companies were able to make photography so popular. It's a great trick for people like me who used to believe that if I wasn't good at something immediately, then I never would be. And so that's how photography got me hooked, because auto mode made taking photos easy. But imagine for a moment that your camera came without an auto feature, so that before you were ever able to take a photo, you were expected to read a manual and memorize the buttons, settings, and exposure triangle. Good chance you probably wouldn't be doing photography for long, right? Because it's too difficult to understand this unintuitive technical stuff when you don't even know if you like photography yet. So this is why it is so important to take photos with your camera on auto first, because it helps you fall in love with photography without struggling through the frustrating technical side. Because if you are not in love with photography, you are probably not going to put in the effort it takes to master manual mode. I know too many people who bought a camera, took a course straight away, and then their camera was never seen again. So take photos in auto mode for as long as it makes you happy, because you're going to need to hold on to that happiness when learning gets hard. But when the limitations of auto mode start to frustrate you, which they inevitably will because it can only achieve so much, that's when you'll know you're ready to learn manual mode so you can take better, more exciting photos.